Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create a business account on Instagram. Open Instagram, create an account, name it, and click Next. Create a password. Click Finish to log in. There. Skip. We don't need that. There. Let's say yes, Facebook. There. But that's not what we want. Go in, tap the three lines, and here we need to create a business account. We're going here. Go to Account, type in Tools, switch to Pro Account, hit Next, pick your business type. You can show this in your profile if you want, but I didn't. Next, choose Business, click Next, add your phone number if you want. There. Set up your account and you're done. That's all for now. Bye.